Hey y'all, welcome to Faith with Annie. In this video, I want to show you my small Walmart haul and tell you what I am getting ready to make. School supplies are everywhere, so I picked up this notebook. I love this simply because of the mountain, because it reminds me of the Bible verse of the mustard seed, and you know, if you have faith in the Lord, you can move mountains. And so I picked this up and I thought this is gonna make a great prayer journal or something. Love this. The next thing I picked up was this. Really cute 3-ring binder. Already pretty. Well, it's got a little bit of damage. I didn't notice that. But I'm going to use this and make a prayer binder. This is going to be my prayer binder, war binder, whatever you want to call it. Already cute. I don't have to cover it. Don't have to do anything. In a previous video, I showed a prayer binder that I made for my mother-in-law, and I used a binder like that, except I covered it in material. I'm not gonna do that this time. And for my dividers, I used these, and see how the tabs are staggered? And then I just staggered them in the notebook. I had cut them in half and just used this part that has the tab. Since this had some pretty colors in it, I picked up this. It has yellow, blue, and like an orangey reddish color. And again, the tabs are staggered, so I'll be able to use them in my binder. And this is what is going to be my section separators. I also got a huge pack of paper. It's probably too much for this. I don't know. Let's see. Well, not really. Fits pretty good, but maybe I'll use half of that, because I also want some plain sheets that aren't lined. So that is going to be my next project. I am going to make this prayer / war binder, and I'm going to show you step by step how I go about this process. But in the meantime, I wanted to show you my small little Walmart haul. Oh, I also got this. Has nothing to do with anything, but it's cute, and I love these insulated cups with straws. Picked that up today too. It was on sale. Got it at a good price. And that's it. That's all I got for today. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you come back when I show you step by step how I make the binder. Bye, y'all.